Everyone in the neighborhood knew Rubina Bibi as the woman who made the best chai. She was married at 22 to a man who ran a small motorcycle repair shop. Life was never easy, but Rubina didn't complain. She managed the home, raised 3 children, and stood by her husband during every up and down. But when her husband suddenly passed away at 39 due to a heart attack, Rubina's world fell apart. In one night, her life shifted from being a wife to a widow, from a homemaker to the only breadwinner. People whispered, she should go live with her brother, or how will she raise 3 children on her own? But Rubina didn't move. She didn't beg. She didn't break. The next morning, she got up early, lit the stove, brewed her usual strong spiced chai, and poured it into a thermos. Then she stepped outside. She walked to the busy bus stop nearby and started offering chai for 5 rupees a cup. Her hands trembled, her eyes were red from crying, but her voice stayed steady. Some men looked confused. Some laughed. Some said, she's fallen from grace. But some drank it. And the next day, they came back. Within a week, Rubina bought plastic cups and made more tea. Within a month, she set up a tiny wooden table and began selling parathas too. She ignored judgmental eyes. She ignored exhaustion. She kept brewing, serving, smiling. Years passed. Rubina became known as Chaiwali Amma. People respected her. Her chai stall turned into a small roadside cafe. She never remarried. She never left. She grew roots where she was once expected to fall. Her daughter became a teacher. Her elder son became an electrician. Her youngest? He now runs the cafe, named Rubina's Chai. One day, a journalist came to interview her. He asked, "Weren't you afraid?" Rubina smiled and said, "Of course I was. But fear doesn't boil water. I had 3 mouths to feed. Giving up was never an option." Moral: strength isn't always loud or famous. Sometimes it's a woman who wakes up before the sun, puts on her chappal, and chooses not to give up. Not for glory, but for her children, for dignity, and for survival. Let's learn some words from this story. Breadwinner, meaning, the person who earns money to support a family. Examples: after her husband died, Rubina became the sole breadwinner. My sister is the breadwinner of her family now. Grace, meaning, dignity, elegance or polite behavior, sometimes used sarcastically. Examples: she's fallen from grace, they said, when she began selling tea. He handled the situation with grace, even when insulted. Grit, meaning, courage and determination in tough situations. Examples: Rubina's grit turned her tea stall into a success. You need grit to face life's toughest challenges. Strong-willed, meaning, determined and not easily discouraged. Examples: Rubina was strong-willed and never gave up. A strong-willed child will argue until proven wrong. Empowered, meaning given strength or confidence to take control. Examples: she felt empowered by her small victories. Education empowers women to create better lives.